It's a beautiful day in Austin, Texas. Hi folks, this is Mechler, the Silicon Hills Realtor. I'm at the Car2Go spot at the Verandas at Uptown condominiums. I wanted to take a moment to tell you guys about Car2Go. So just recently, Car2Go has swapped out all of their smart cars with either the GLA or the CLA Mercedes models. This particular one's the GLA. Go ahead and show you the car right here. So all you have to do is to join, download the Car2Go app. You're basically only going to be paying for how long you use the car. There's no monthly fees, no annual fees. You don't have to pay for parking. You don't have to pay for maintenance. You don't even have to pay for fuel. All of that's included.